river is dry. Alright, here I am. River on this side is dry. Probably it's gonna be for all year. If some rains come. Let's go check it out. Boom. Thing easily chopped down. Down, that's for sure. Okay, tell me, how beautiful is this wonderful day away from all the computers and hustle and bustle of the city? Nobody out here but me, and maybe a ghost, maybe an animal. That's it. Doesn't look like there's any fish biting. Let's see if there's any metal detecting stuff around here maybe. How about that? Let's see what we got. Dug that up right there. Looks like it can't be a coin. I mean, that's, I don't know what it is. I thought it was a coin. It's a It's a metal lid on plastic. Shotgun shell. I bet that's what it is. Oh well. Still digging here. I don't know what that is. Looks like a coin, but it doesn't look like a coin. I think it may be a silver daggone coin. Look at that. Looks like a... I don't know what that is. Piece of something. It's odd. I don't know if it's silver or aluminum. No, I mean, that's crazy. I don't know. River, there's a lot of junk in here. A lot of people can camp out here, so you never know. Probably a can, I would say, but we'll see. Those cans pick up real good. Look at that. Somebody that either washed up there. Look at that. Somebody put those in there. That's crazy. Doctor enough. What? That's probably a piece of metal. Let's go check it out. Yeah, one thing you want to get is a good little show. This was pretty cool, but it folds up sometimes. I was gonna say it looks like a machete, but it's not. It's a piece of steel. Pretty cool piece of steel. Probably was on something, riveted to or broke off on. I don't know, pretty cool. Right. Something in here might be a piece of metal or something. I don't know. It's in the rock. I'd have found it. It looks similar to what I found before. It's just kind of crazy because it looks like it's melted ore, or maybe it was a piece of something. It's a strange metal piece. I'm gonna keep it. Check some more. Alright, right here. Sounds like a can. Let's check it out. Yep. Can lid. Go out here. Check this place out. All right. A few more minutes. I'm gonna put the detector on full blast where I don't pick up trash. This is an old stagecoach wagon site. They say it could be older than that, but there's some rocks over there. Let's go check it out. So right here is the old Kenley site. As you can see, these old limestone rocks. And this is kind of where the building would have been. And here, the road would have been up there. Cool place. I found some stuff here before, but let's see if we can find anything today. Cool. Okay, so what I forgot today is I bought one of those hand things where where you got a hand identifier, so there's something. Is that it? Looks like a kind of weird stone. There's something here. I think it's a nail. Yeah, it's a screw. Imagine that. A screw of that age. Okay, did they have screws back then? That'd be odd for me, but it was under the rocks. That was it. Okay, so there's a little bit better view of perhaps the square part of the furnace or rock chimney. And thought I heard something. Could be a snake. Could be just a squirrel. Anyway, let's check a little more out. It's starting to get dark. Alright, that's at the top of the chimney. I'll try to check it out. Try not to get bit by a rattler. Oh! Well, whoa! I think I found it. Holy crap, what is that? Looks like a big piece of metal. Well, I know there's a damn copperhead right down in there behind it. Or is that a rock? What is that? Yeah, pick it up. Get down, whatever. Oh, heck, look at that. It's a daggone nut. Look how big that is. This thing was not, I don't think, an average fireplace. I think the people that said this was a wagon train place was correct. Look at that. That could only have been built back then. But yeah, they had screw technology. Cool. Right, there's something down in here. That other place, I don't know what that was. It was false, but I didn't get out of here, guys. The ghost is gonna come after me. But there's something in here, I think. What's that? Is that it? Yeah. I don't know what it is. It's a piece of gold. I wish. It looks like a hinge. Well, good deal. I need maybe one more time to get out of here, boy. I'm trying to find something in here. I think it's just a screw, maybe, or something. I hope it's a piece of money, but right there. Can it be that little? That's why I need my pocket thing. It's right there. Yeah. See? That's what happens. You need that pocket thing. Alright, guys. It's getting close. Better get out of here before the ghost comes. Cool. Alright, folks. Let's say that you have a real silver $50 or something on the ground. What would it really be like to find that? Now, I've put one in the ground. I didn't find it out here. I just did it to show you. I've got my metal detector all the way down. I've got an old one. I need to upgrade to the newer ones. It still works good though. So it's set on coins, and let's say you had a silver coin out here. What would it sound like? Let's see, because I put it out in these leaves, so I better find it. I don't want to lose that coin. Somewhere in here. That's not where it's at. Well, maybe that's another coin. I don't know. There might be another one over there. I think that's where I put it though. I hope so. Let's go. So that's what it would sound like on that. If you set it to like the middle. sound like that. You set the trash. That's what it sounds like. It doesn't actually pick up like a real high pitch. It's a few inches underground. Let's check it out. Let's see. Oh, well, let's see. I think it's in there. Oh, let me turn it back on. And there you go. No, I didn't find that there. Obviously, I put it there, but I'm just showing you. It doesn't really sound off a whole lot, you know, like it does with metal and stuff like that. It just doesn't, you know, sound off like that. But that's an old 1943 half a silver dollar right there. Now, there's something else over here. Let's go see what that is. Maybe it's another silver dollar. For real. But that one I put there just for example, which I'm also wanting to find. Something small, which I didn't bring my little pocket. Yeah, that can't be it. There. Come on, guys. Well, I bet it's a screw. Or a, I hope it's a coin. I bet it's a, something else. Oh my gosh, it is a coin. I don't know what it is. Hey, I did find another coin. How about that? I planted a coin to try to show you how it's done, and good, look at that. I found one right beside of it. How's that ever going to happen? Well, hey, maybe that'll happen for real. We'll check it out and see what it is. All right, if you can see that, this thing will focus on that. Let's see here. You want to focus on it, guys? It's actually a 1980 penny, but it's a full copper penny. Well, at least I found something. All right, let's get out of here. See you later. We're always looking for something interesting, but it seems like all we do is find those old cans.